Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a Soda Can Mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the can and remove that extra parts like top of the can. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. And now take a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle and lower some opacity and convert it into smart object and hit OK. And now double click on the smart object icon. Now place the design that you want to place on the can. Go to File, Place Embedded and import the design and transform it. Now press Ctrl S to save. Now create a clipping mask. Now change that blend mode to multiply and go to blending options and move the underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click.